Shorty, what's the plan, man? Don't gotta call NASA. Can't wait to blast off.
What up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Biz with No, back at it again. We need the car wash. Yesterday, my the tensioner pulley fell off. Don't ask me how. I think what might have happened was the bolt that moves up and down wasn't locked in place properly, and whenever it got like aligned, it lost the tension from the nut, and I didn't notice it. It did give me like a lot of signs, especially when I'm at the car wash. I used to hear the belt slipping and all this stuff, and it didn't happen today, so we are good. Oh, slipping. Yesterday I went to the car wash and that shit was packed all the way to the street. We're pulling up the Bolts Plus because I had no idea where the damn nut went. I'm gonna just try to get this back up and running and we should be good to go. Even yesterday I even had issues. I pulled down the window talking to my boy Nitish, and then when I got home, that's when I can't get the windows back up. Grab some stuff for the G, fix it in the parking lot, and then we're back on the road. Yeah, so I got the nuts for free. Pause. Well, I was like, I only asked for one locking one and one normal one just in case. I don't know which one I want to use, but I'm probably going to use the locking one. That way it doesn't come off again, even if it's loose. About to go pull up on the G and see if it actually fits. I'm pretty sure that's the size, because it is a common size for cars. The 1.25, not 1.5 or 1.75, but 1.25. All right, the car's back up and running. Finally. Look at my hands, bro. Jeez. Get your hands in tight spots. If you're not a mechanic, you ain't doing it. Look at that shit. I had to reach my hands all the way in there just to get underneath the tensioner and use this guy to fucking tighten the tensioner so the belt is not loose. This is what I use to tighten the tensioner, but this is for the adjustment rod, which is under. You could just put it upside down. Are we good to go home? I'm just gonna let it warm up a bit. I gotta leave work just now, so I gotta change and then come back to the car, go home. Hopefully nothing else happened, because as you can see right here, my window motor stopped working, so I took all this stuff just to kind of prep it. Now the car is actually quiet. I used to have that stupid whining noise. Let's see, I'm gonna rev it. Oh my gosh, it's gone.
This spaceship's waiting for you. Spaceship waiting for you. This spaceship's waiting for you. This spaceship